anyone who criticizes my way of life were to come forward, I'd turn around and kill every single one of their loved ones, so that they too could grasp what it's like to experience this hatred of mine. Every one of you is laughing. Itachi sacrificed his life, but you're still laughing. Cackling together like fools, you're just ignorant of everything! I can hear nothing but contempt and jeering in your voices. I want to change those laughs to screams and wails of misery!
So that's the Uchiha's Mangekyo Sharingan.
Sasuke. He always has something else hidden up his sleeve. Every time.
So that's the Uchiha's Mangekyo Sharingan.
Sasuke. He always has something else hidden up his sleeve. Every time.
No, you're not Fushin, are you?
Huh? What are you talking about? I'm the Lightning Gang's leader.
I possess the Sharingan. I can look into your memories with it. And if you're lying, I can't guarantee that you'll stay alive.